Hey everybody, it's Stuart here, and if you are currently running Google call only ads, you're going to want to pay attention. And the reason for that is starting in 2027, impressions and reach is no longer going to be effective for Google call only ads. So, by call only ads, I mean ones like the one you can see on the screen right now, with two headline options, two descriptions, and then the call button and the opportunity for someone to visit the website. And the reason why I think Google is deprecating this particular type of ad is because really it's just not that effective and it can actually get quite expensive. So you want to be very mindful about getting onto that as soon as possible. Make sure you switch over to search based ads and have a call extension. From experience, I have found that to be far more effective in generating more calls and leads for your business and organization. So I wish you all the best with getting onto this change right now. Make sure you do it because in 2027, you will no longer have call only ads that get shown to people. Have a fantastic day, everybody.